What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. So yeah, guys, today we're going to be talking about 7 different income possibilities for anyone who can drive. As long as you have a car, a license, and a good criminal record, you can basically do any of these. The reason I wanted to make this video is because I recently got my driver's license, which got me pretty excited, and it also got me thinking that getting a license is even more than a lot of people think. It can actually open up a lot of possibilities for you to make money and just grind. Number 1, getting a job. Guys, for many people, you really can't get a job until you get your license. This is the most obvious one, but I still thought I should mention it just in case you haven't thought of it yet. If you just got your license, or if you've had your license, good luck, because you can now go out and apply at different jobs that you may live like 15 minutes away from, but you can drive to now. Of course, there's tons of jobs out there that you can apply for, restaurant servers, retail workers, basically anything, and now you can because you have a license.
Number 2, food delivery. There's many apps nowadays such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub where you can sign up as a driver and deliver food for people because they're willing to pay a premium and you can make some money off of that. Unfortunately, unlike just getting a regular job where a lot of places hire teenagers, you're probably going to have to be 18 for most of these food delivery apps. The good news is that depending on where you live, you can make well above minimum wage and you can set your own hours. Just keep in mind that you are going to have to pay for gas and you're just giving general wear and tear to your car, but it's still worth it even after that. You're still probably going to be making more than that minimum wage. Number 3, vending machines. Guys, this is one of the more interesting and unique ideas. Basically, you can go out, buy a small candy vending machine for anywhere between $50 and $150, and then go pitch it to different businesses where you couldn't do this before if you didn't have a license. You basically go to different businesses such as a retail store and say, hey, can I put this candy machine in your store? You can even offer them a profit, and then you can collect those profits and then scale the business. And then about once every month or so, you're going to have to drive out to these businesses and collect your profits. Number 4, ride sharing. Similarly to food delivery, this is a relatively new thing, and instead of delivering food, you're going to be taxiing people. The 2 most popular companies in this business are Uber and Lyft. I'm sure you've heard of them, and you've probably even used them before. Unfortunately, with this, you're going to have to be 21 years old and pass a background and vehicle inspection. Wages can fluctuate with this job, however, you can usually expect to make around $15 to $25 an hour, depending on where you live. Number 5, wrapping your car with advertisement. This is another pretty interesting idea. There's a site called Carvertise, and their site's similar to it, where they basically pay you between $100 to $600 a month to wrap your car in different companies' advertisements to get their name out there. Pay can fluctuate depending on where you live and how much you generally drive and different factors like that. However, you know how much you're going to make from the beginning because that is agreed upon beforehand. While this might be a little tacky and make you look kind of odd driving around, I personally think it's definitely worth it. You know, suck it up and just put the ads on your car and bring in that extra income. Number 6, grocery delivery. This is a pretty new idea as well. Basically, you go to the grocery store and pick up grocery stores for people and then deliver the grocery stores to them so they don't have to get out of their house. They pay a premium for this, and that's how you make money. You can do this on sites like Shipt and Instacart and make up to $20 an hour. Unfortunately, again, you're going to have to be 18 to do this and pass a criminal check. Number 7, Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is probably my favorite idea on this list, but unfortunately, you do have to be 18. Basically, with Amazon Flex, you're going to be picking up and delivering packages from Amazon. You can set your own hours and agree with them beforehand, and you can change these as time goes on, but basically your hours are set, but you can pretty much pick your hours. Besides being 18, you just need a smartphone and a 4-door car. Amazon Flex workers generally make between $18 and $25 an hour. Keep in mind there are only certain locations in the country where you can do this, but give it a few years and it might become popular in your area. I just want to thank you drivers so much for watching this video. I really hope you took something of value and actually go through with one of these ideas. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching Business Buzz. Make sure you go down, hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time.